Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have a very good, topic discussing whether Jesus is God or Allah is God. Because based on this poster, I saw that somebody posted that let me compare between Jesus and Allah. Okay, according to him, Jesus can forgive sin, as in Mark 2:10, right? Okay. Allah also can forgive sin, as in 3:31. Let me read to you. What is 3:31? 3:31 say, if you do love Allah, follow me. Allah will love you and forgive you your sin. See, Allah also forgives sin. For Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful. And then because of this, they say, oh, since Jesus can forgive sin, so Jesus is Allah, right? That is their whimsical, fanciful thinking. Okay, so according to John 11:41 or 43, 44, according to the Christian, Jesus is God because Jesus can raise the dead, as in John 11:43, 44. But Allah too raised the dead, as in 43:11. Let me read for you. That sends down from time to time rain from the sky in due measure, and we raise to life. Allah raised to life there with a land. Can Jesus raise to life the land? Cannot. Jesus can only raise Lazarus with the permission of Allah. There with a land that is dead, even so will you be raised from the dead. You see, Jesus only resurrect one person from the dead, one person, Lazarus, right? Now Allah will resurrect everyone, including the animals, on the resurrection day. So who is greater? Wake up your idea. Okay, so he said Jesus can heal the sick, as in Matthew 8:3. Then Allah also can heal the sick. What type of sickness? Is spiritual sickness, not only physical sickness, but spiritual sickness, as in 17:82 says, we send down stage by stage in the Quran that which is a healing and a mercy to those who believe. To the unjust it causes nothing but loss after loss. So the Quran itself is a healing, spiritual healing. Once you are spiritually healed, you will be physically healed also. Allah can do whatever He wills, But according to them, the Christian, the nature obey Jesus, as in Matthew 8:26-27. How about in Quran 16:49? What did Allah say? 16:49 says, and to Allah does obeisance all that is in the heavens and on earth, whether moving, living creatures or the angels, for none are arrogant before their Lord. You see, if Jesus, what nature that obey Him? Nature obeyed Jesus. Now the whole heaven and the earth obeyed Allah. Okay, now let's see. Jesus fed the multitude, as in Matthew 14:19-21. Don't you know that Muhammad also fed the multitude? But never mind, I just quote from the Quran 29:60, because they are comparing Jesus with Allah. 29:60 say, how many are the creatures that carry not their own sustenance? It is Allah who feeds both animals and human mankind. So Allah does feed the multitudes of animal kingdom, plant kingdom, human kingdom, for He hears and knows all things. Does Jesus know when is the hour coming? He doesn't know. Then you take Him as God. He's a lousy God, Allah knows when is even Jesus Himself declared only Allah knows the hour. Okay. Now Jesus cast out demons as in Matthew 8:29 or 28 to 32. Okay. So does Allah cast out demon as in 38:77? So what is 38:77? Allah said, "Then get ye out from here, for you are rejected, accursed." Who was this bloody person? He was the bloody head of the demon, Satan. See, Allah cast out demons, the head of the demon, Okay. So now you wake up already. Do you still think Jesus is God? Jesus is not God. Jesus rose from the dead. Oh, can God die? Luke 24:1-8. Can God die? Who raised Jesus up? According to you, it was the Holy Spirit. So who is the Holy Spirit? The Holy Spirit is Allah, right? Okay. Now Allah tell you, I, as a God, I am immortal, I am eternal, I am invisible. This is written in 1 Timothy 1:17, which is the same with Surah 3 verse 2. Allah, there is no God but He, the living, the self-subsisting, eternal. Living means immortal. Self-subsisting is also meaning immortal. Invisible, because nobody can see God, and God is eternal. See, Jesus died. What the hell the God can die, I don't know why you Christian believe in such, such crap, to put it mildly, Okay, so I have discussed with you the difference between Jesus and Allah, and Jesus is not God. Jesus is not Allah. Okay, thank you very much.